Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm unboxing the giveaways that Dayspring has sent for the Be the Light Bible Journaling Conference. So Dayspring has graciously volunteered to partner with us, and they have sent these fun giveaways for the people who attend that free conference. So if you're ready to unbox this really fun giveaway, all the prizes, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the box came in the mail, and it's actually kind of a little bit open. So I haven't had a chance to open it. You can see it's still quite shut. It's still taped on the side. So I'm gonna open it together with you today. I am so excited about our Bible Journaling Be the Light conference. It's an absolutely free conference for anyone to attend. And we have some amazing sponsors and amazing prizes to give away. So I'm so excited to see what Dayspring sent that we get to give away during the conference. So all right, so oh my goodness, the box is completely full, and oh my goodness, there are some of the new products in here and pens, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these out so you can see them, and let's move this box out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and move some of these things out of the way. You're gonna get some really quick glances at some of the goodies real fast, but then we'll dive deep into them. Do you see what I see? Oh my gosh, we're getting illustrating Bibles to give away. Yay! These are so awesome, you guys. Dayspring has been so generous to us, and I mean, it's so awesome to have them as a sponsor for our conference. So let me get these guys out of the way. It looks like we've got 2 illustrating Bibles from Dayspring. Oh my gosh, there's so much I can't even fit on the desk. And it just keeps going and going and going. Okay, let me move the box out of the way. Looks like, oh, so heavy. All the things. Okay, so Dayspring has sent us, you guys, no joke, 2 illustrating Bibles to give away. So if you are unfamiliar with the illustrating Bible, it is the biggest, most awesome Bible on the market. So it retails for $100, and it's so amazing. It has a spiral coil. It's got the CSB version. It's got super wide Bible journaling space, so you can have all kinds of fun in it. Really, it is unique, and it's in that beautiful green color that they launched this year. So we're going to be giving away 2 of these during the free conference, thanks to Dayspring. And if you are curious about, you want to learn a little bit more about the illustrating Bible, go ahead and look through our videos, because we have a ton of information on the illustrating Bible and how awesome it is, including what type of products you can actually use in it and what bleeds through and what doesn't bleed through. So we've been very comprehensive on this Bible and what actually will most things work in it. But we tried to create as many videos as we could for this specific Bible so that you could, really make an informed decision on your purchase. But you might win one. So definitely check out the Be the Light Journaling Conference. So there's going to be 2 available, 1 and 2 to give away. Let's see what else we are going to be giving away from Dayspring. We have, it looks like 2 Bible mats. All right, so those will probably just go, I don't know, they'll probably go with the Bibles. We'll probably ship them out with whoever wins those Bibles. So 2 Bible mats. Let me tell you what the Bible mats retail for. They retail for $10 a piece. Wow. So far Dayspring has sent us like $220 of stuff to give away. And then we have some pens, some pen packs. So this is the Illustrated Faith Basic pen pack. I own both of these pen packs, and they're very awesome for Bible journaling. So 2 pen packs. These ones retail, it looks like the Precision pen retails for $7, and the journaling pen pack retails for $20. So that's $27 there. Then we have, it looks like, our new expanding carry-all cases. These are really cool. I use mine to keep my Bible journaling extras in, and I just keep it by my office desk and use it whenever I can. So I also have videos on I think I have videos on almost all of the products that they sent, because these are brand new, they just released. So if you do want to see more details about any of these prizes, be sure to look at our videos. But for now, we're just seeing what they sent to give away for the Be the Light Bible Journaling Conference. So each of these, there are 2 of them. Each of these retail for, let's see, I think $11.99. I'm pretty sure. So very cool. We got 2 of those to give away. Then we have the the 5-tray carry-out case. I actually have this right next to me. So I have mine. Mine has like a ton of faith-based washi tape in it, so I'll just show you mine. I won't open them, but we have 2 of these to give away. How fun is that? And you can see mine, I put my washi tape in it. But you can put your paintbrushes in it, you can put, you know, your glues and your mediums. I just have my faith-based washi tape in it, so it just makes it really easy to grab and go and carry with me. So there it is. We have 2 of those to give away. Now, these don't come filled with the washi tape, so they're empty. It's just the carry-all the carry-all case. Mine just happens to have the washi tape in it because I did a video on it, and you can check out that video as well. All right, so the 5-tray carry-alls are $24.99. And then we have, looks like some of the newer books that just released. So we have Shannon Noel's A Workbook Guide to Bible Journaling. And so this one, let's see, I believe this retails for $20. Yes, and we have 1 of these to give away. And I also did a review. All of these things we've done reviews on for the video. So if you want to see in depth, you can go ahead and check out those videos. But it's a very awesome book, especially for someone who is new to Bible journaling. This is going to be pretty comprehensive for you, and I just love all the ideas that they give you. And finally, we have 2 of the Happy Hand Lettering books that just recently released as well. So each of these retails for $20, and they're so awesome, especially if you want to learn how to hand letter. You guys, I can't tell you how amazingly awesome Dayspring is for sponsoring the Be the Light Bible Journaling Conference. Again, they sent, this is well over a retail value, well over of $300, almost close to $400 of product that they've sent for us to give away during the conference. And again, the conference costs you nothing. It's absolutely free. And I hope that you will click the link below to learn more about that conference. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I hope that you really are as excited as I am about these giveaways from Dayspring. Thanks so much, Dayspring. We so appreciate you. Goodbye.